Okay, I have demonstrated before the single twist diamond, the individual twist diamond. Sorry with the eye thing there. This time I'm going to try, well, I have already done this. I'm going to we're going to attempt to write this in a pattern for y'all. As the picture sort of kind of depicts, there's two little lines around the diamond, two little borders. And just to add more fun and spunk, we're putting diamonds inside the diamonds. Okay? So I'm going to try to demonstrate how I did the two. I've already demonstrated the one, now I'm going to try to demonstrate the two. And I also have it written out so that I know when I get to the next element, when I start doing that crissy-crossy stuff, there's 4 stitches in there, in the middle there. Okay?
Okay. Here we go.
There we go. All right, so this is the right side. And I know we had 11, so now we're down to 10. See, we were going to go further in, but we didn't want to throw in the crissy-crossy before we try to demonstrate the double. My eyeglass keeps, well, it's better than having it in my eye, I guess. I don't jilt the camera's jilting me, okay? Or jerking, or whatever. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is just like the single twist diamond, but we're doing it twice. Okay, take my cable needle, next 2 stitches on the cable needle, hold it in the back, knit 1 from the left working needle, put 1 back from the cable, put it back on the left needle, knit it, and this is going to be purl from the cable needle. Then I'm going to purl 1 because I have a 2 purl stitch gap between each border. If that goes down the road, I'm going to be really mad. I also have to dig it out behind the counter there. Okay, this is the same maneuver as we just did. 2 stitches off and put them in the cable needle, put it behind, knit 1 from the left working main, take 1 back and put it on the main from the cable, knit it. This is the twist border part, and this is going to be purl. All of the stitches in here are going to be purl until we get to the little design. So we should be able to purl 2, and as you can see, my little 4, that's going to be the next time, Alice.
Okay.
Okay? That was 2, and now, because now I'm going to have 4 in here. Now this is the left twist, increasing twist. I take 2 stitches off, put them on the cable needle, hold them in the front. I purl 1, because it's all purl in the middle. Take 1 back off, and keep this one in the front. Knit it off of the left main. Knit the one off of the cable needle. I purl 1. And I do the same thing again. This is a repeat. So 2 on the cable needle, hold them in front. Purl 1. Put 1 back onto the main. Knit and hold this one in the front. Knit it off of that one. That's completing our twist. And then knit 1 off the cable needle. All right. And as you can see, if you could see, of course I could go to the end of it, you could see you have 2 little edges. I can't see it all. 2 little edges. There's the point of the diamond, and then this is another, like a border on a border. You know, a border. Do I have a picture of the pillow in there? Pillow might have a better thing there. I did do a pillow, right? I can actually get the pillow out if you want a real thing. I've got the pillow.
All right, we'll show it.
Okay.
And maybe the next video.
Okay, very good.
Great.
Okay. It's going to be the next one.
That's why I use the 6 thing. The same
same line as you do something else. I mean, maybe you can't really, I can't see. Like this thing right here, this is a 6, this is a 6, this is a 6, and it lines, trust me, it does, okay? That's essentially every 6 rows, even though we say it's row 8, this twist thing down here added a row to it. That makes sense to you, Alice?
Yes.
Okay. And we're going to see if we can do this.
Okay.
The adding of the thing here. Go ahead.
Well, no, that's great. I think that's great. I'm going to have this in the background because I want to see what you're actually doing. So I'm going to scooch it back just a little bit. It's in.
Okay, here we go. Not quite there. We need just one little purl in front of our edge. And I think we might be there. Is that it? Do we count this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
That's what you said.
Did I say 9? Okay, good. So, take our cable needle. I take the 2. This is still the right increasing edge thing. I hold it in the back. I knit 1 from the main needle. I thought that slipped. I take 1 back and put it on the left needle. I knit it, and I purl. This is the spacer purl between the 2 edges. And I purl 1. Now this is when we start our little monkey in the middle thing here, the little diamonds in the diamonds. This is where we start. We have 4 stitches here. And if you remember my little piece of paper, it said 4, 4, 4 all over the place. It's 4. So this has got 4 in here. So now I know this is when I start my little thing here.
Okay.
First we start with the, just what you normally do. Take 2 off, put it on the cable needle. Hold it in the back. You knit 1. And then I put 1 back on the left main. You knit it. Now this is where I just said you're going to purl them all. No. This one we're going to knit. Because this is our first little knit thing of this. You know, it's down here. Down at the point. This is going to be knitting. So we have to put a knit stitch in there. Okay? So even though I said, they're all going to be purls, Alice. No, they're going to be knit. That's the exception. To every rule, there's an exception. And then you purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be going up there, and I think it's the right size for it, actually. It looks good. Right?
Yep. So now you're just doing
the purl 1. Then you take 2 off of the, hold it in the front. Purl 1. Take 1 back off. Hold it in this one in the front. Knit it off. We're going to have to go down and see what this is. I hope it's right. That does look good, that pillow cover, huh? Yeah. I had a blanket, obviously, to match it.
Okay, let's look at it flat. Lay it down.
I'm going to wait till it gets to the... Can I wait till I get to the end of it here?
Okay.
Anything.
I definitely...
that's a 6. Like your just on your swatch. Mm-hmm. Just use something that you know is 6 rows. Like your cable. Your standard 6-stitch, 6-row cable. Mm-hmm. And you know, well, that's the 6th row. But this one I know it is because I put it in. This is 6. Between here and there is 6. Between here and there is 6. I know that. There's 4 in the middle. Okay?
Okay.
I mean, I know it.